Today is Sunday. After the service, I took a little rest and then I headed straight to this estate, Silver Crest Estate. You know, we just finished our All-Star Summit in the city of Ukwa, and I'm live today in Abia. Yes, because project is going on, and then tomorrow I will be in another state, which you'll also be seeing, where we are launching our new estate. But however, I'm standing right at the gatehouse construction. So they began the gatehouse construction and the perimeter fencing. I want to take a look at the perimeter fencing also, okay? And this estate is having phase 1 and phase 2. You know, we keep to our promise. I told every client that bought this property at a pre-launch price that whatever thing that is contained in that subscription form will be implemented, and we are very fast about it. Okay, now after this perimeter fencing and gatehouse, the next thing we are going to be doing is to put the street light and then put the electric pole and begin connecting the internal road, you know, and make it very much motorable within the internal road. So those who bought at pre-launch are ready to start their project, like fencing their property and getting something started. Now, why is this location very important for you to pay attention to? This place is the heart of Abia State. This is the oil-rich location of Abia State. This is Ukwa West. It is in Aba, in Abia State. Okay. Now, behind me is the modular refinery. Okay, and then this way is the cantonment, the headquarters, military headquarters in Aba. And then in front of me this way is a university, Nigerian British University. And then this way, by my right here, is the electric car manufacturing company called Roxettes. So the estate is called the estate at the middle. You know, that's going to serve residential purposes for the population that this institution will be bringing via employment. So what we want to do here is something that has not been done around here. And the population of workers that are coming into this area are going to appreciate it. And then you are going to be their landlord. Either you are selling your land to them, or you will be providing the house which they will buy or they will rent. But that can only be possible if you can make a step and pick a property at Silver Crest Estate, which is selling for 5 million naira today with a C of O. Next time I'm going to see this video, you're going to be seeing, you know, projects that are ongoing in Silver Crest Estate. We have all our possession. The location is instant, and your documentation comes to you 72 hours after full payment. All right, so that is it. I'm so happy with what I'm seeing, and then I know you're also happy. That's what you want, and I know that you want something progressive, very progressive. We have phase 1 and we have phase 2. Both the two phases are undergoing development project right now. All right, so I need you to quickly pick up your phone and make a purchase of Silver Crest Estate, and you will not regret it. A few years from now, this place will be selling for nothing less than 35 million naira. I don't want you to buy it at that amount. I want you to buy it at this very affordable price. Now that the crazy development has not yet stormed, so you take position first of all. That is how to be profitable in real estate investment. So when you buy, you can fence your property. Okay, start 1 or 2 structures. So as the company is progressing the development, the place will become very much attractive, and then people. And I'm happy that I'm bringing this to you. You have a very wonderful day. See you on my next video. Bye bye.